Hello, in today's video I will show you how to log in and sync your accounts across the devices. If you are logged out or you're logging in for the first time on the other device, you just need to pick one of these three options because it depends on where you created your account. If you created with Google, you are pressing the first option. If you chose the second one, you will just continue with your email, and if the third one, you will do with SSO. I did with my email, so I would choose the second one. And here I would just go with my email and my password, and I would just log in. And my everything I had, so my voiceovers and the projects, everything is here already. So when you log in on the other account, everything will be already there. The same goes with your other device like laptop or PC. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.